we are 5 members, we are 7 members, we are 4 members. If we have a cooperation, if we are cooperate each other, then only work can be successful. Okay. If there is if you find a lack of cooperation, so it's a very difficult to progress in the life. So that cooperation makes the interdependence in society healthier, and it allows inclusion of everybody in society. So it is what? It is a process of inclusion, of moving ahead, taking along all sections of society. So all these are what? All these are the process of inclusion. Cooperation, as I told, cooperation means sharing and caring. Okay, so students, we must cooperate with efforts aimed at the education and development of girls. In the students in various sections of the society, you can see they are not giving importance to the girls' education. So it is our duty to provide, to make efforts for the development of the girls, or to give the education to the girls and even to the other section of the society. Tolerance and understanding. What is mean by tolerance? Okay, so that if the many more people lives together, so definitely disputes get arises. So we have this quality of the tolerance. If we wanted to avoid the disputes in the society, in the family, tolerance. हिंदी में meaning होता है सहन करना और समझ के लेना. Because if in your family 4 peoples are there, 4 peoples, 4 opinions. If there are 10 family members in your family, so 10 peoples, 10 opinions. So we have to listen, we have to understand the opinion of the others, and we have to understand why this particular person is saying this. Then we have to work on it, and if that the opinion is not appropriate, so we can discuss with that particular person, but we have to respect the opinion of others. So that student disputes and conflicts arises when there is a lack of agreement in the opinion. If you wanted to stop this agreement, what is necessary? Tolerance and understanding is necessary. Understanding and attitude. And understanding attitude, what it leads, if you have an understanding and if you wanted to learn a new, then only you can learn a new thing. And if it is our duty that we have to accept new idea, this helps to further enrich our social lives, and we become a more tolerant. And even society provides us opportunity to learn all this in a very simple method of maintaining well-being and peace of the society. Okay, and students, in the first lecture, we have learned that our society gives us the opportunity to do the development. Okay, if you need to be a good cricketer, agar aapko good cricketer banna hai, you need a coach, you need a people who can make a bat, and you need a audience, and even you need a bowler also. You need a team if you wanted to be a good cricketer. So that if you want, if हमें कुछ भी करना है, if you wanted to do any kind of development in our life, we need a society. And each individual has several roles and the responsibility and duties. Every role are well defined. While playing this role at home and outside, we are supposed to make a strong bond amongst the people. Take the example of mine. I am a girl, I am a student, I am a teacher, I am a mother. Okay, I am a driver, I am a businessman, I am an aunt of someone else, I am a teacher of yours. It means my role is different in the society. Just take the example of you. You can be a son of someone else. First of all, you are a girl or you are a boy. You are a son and daughter of someone else. You are a grandparent of someone else. You are a friend of school. You are a friend of your garden friends. You can be a dancer. You can be a various. It means your role is different, and even you are a student also. What are the regulation of the society? Regulation means that student, we need some rules. Just take the example. If we wanted to overcome, okay, if we wanted to overcome on any situation, we have to follow the rules and regulation. Just take the example, if the pandemic situation is going on, all are insisting wear the mask, take the vaccination, and stay home, stay safe. So it means that if you follow this kind of rule, then only we can win over the corona. It means the rules and regulation is most important for the society. In order that society functions smoothly, some rules are required. In ancient times, society was mostly regulated with the help of tradition. But in modern time, we have a laws. See, customs and tradition are different in various religions, but the laws are same for all. And laws doesn't come from tradition and the custom. The regulation in society through laws and tradition is carried out by different organization and institution. Really, if you wanted to maintain a peace in the society, you have a police stations. So police station helps to control the and they helps to maintain a peace in the society. So such kind of different organizations are also there, and the government bodies means the your central government, state government, your municipality, everyone they have their local level administration, and it is a very important role for the process of regulation of the society. Okay, students. So here we are done with our lesson.